Imagine a world where scientists announce that Earth can no longer sustain life, and humanity has just 50 years to find a new home. The air is polluted, natural resources are nearly depleted, and climate disasters are becoming too intense to endure. The urgency is clear, we need a plan and fast. But where do we even begin? Are there planets out there that could sustain human life, or would we have to create an artificial world of our own? As the clock ticks down, scientists and visionaries begin to present alternatives. If Earth can no longer sustain us, where else could we go? The closest option: Mars. With its icy polar caps and mysterious terrain, Mars has fascinated us for centuries. But as inviting as Mars may sound, it's not without its challenges. Mars has no breathable atmosphere, no liquid water on its surface, and temperatures colder than Antarctica. Then there are the space habitats. Imagine rotating cylinders in space, with human communities living in artificially created environments. They're designed to mimic Earth's gravity and atmosphere, but they would be entirely enclosed worlds, isolated from everything we know. Let's say Mars is our chosen destination. First, we need to solve the issue of the journey itself. Traveling to Mars takes about 7 months. 7 months of intense isolation, cosmic radiation exposure, and reliance on artificial systems for survival. Food, water, and oxygen would all need to be carefully rationed. Any failure could be fatal. Then there's the matter of cost. Estimates suggest that relocating even a small community to Mars would require resources beyond what any single country possesses. Cooperation among all nations would be essential. But can we really rely on that kind of unity? Assuming we survive the journey, there's the daunting task of building a colony from scratch. Initial settlers would need to construct habitats, secure food supplies, and establish medical facilities. All under extreme conditions, every aspect of daily life would be a struggle, from maintaining clean air and water, to dealing with gravity that's only a third of Earth's. Psychological pressures would also be intense. Living in confined spaces with no way to escape could lead to isolation and depression. In this barren, harsh environment, every day would be a test of resilience. Let's not forget the toll on mental health. Isolation from Earth, confined living spaces, and a constant fight for survival would take a heavy psychological toll. Scientists say that long-term space missions have shown signs of depression, anxiety, and a sense of disconnection. Imagine knowing you're never coming back to Earth. You're hundreds of millions of kilometers away from everything familiar. Over time, maintaining morale and a sense of community would be just as essential as maintaining life support systems. Even if we succeed in building a colony, life on Mars or a distant planet would look nothing like life on Earth. Forget blue skies, fresh water, or natural landscapes. Every part of existence would be contained within a limited artificial environment. The reality is, we wouldn't be living in the traditional sense, we'd be surviving. The dreams of a new paradise are likely far from the truth. Are we prepared for that kind of existence, a life where every breath, every sip of water is carefully rationed? In 2075, abandoning Earth may seem like our only option. But as we look towards the stars, it's worth considering what we're leaving behind. Is humanity's future really among the planets, or does our best chance for survival lie in restoring our own home? The resources and technologies needed to settle on Mars could be redirected to save Earth instead. As we stand at this crossroads, the question we must ask ourselves is, can we still save Earth, or have we already run out of time? What would you choose? Escape to a new world, or fight to save the only home we've ever known?